Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID and enabling two-factor authentication because HomeKit uses secure keys. Make sure iCloud keychain is on so device data syncs. Once done, open the Home app on your iPhone or iPad and verify Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are active, since pairing uses both. Next, power the accessory and locate the 8-digit or QR code on the device or packaging. Scan or enter that code now to initiate pairing, so the Home app can discover and authenticate the accessory. After initiating pairing, scan the HomeKit code or tap Add Accessory, then don't have a code to search manually. Home verifies the device and exchanges keys, which is why you must stay near the accessory. Once paired, assign it to a room and give it a clear name so Siri recognizes commands. This also organizes automation triggers. Then configure settings like motion sensitivity or light color, and check for firmware updates. Keeping firmware current preserves reliability and security across your smart home. Now finalize by creating scenes and automations. Choose time, sensor, or someone arriving to trigger multiple accessories together because that simplifies daily routines. Make sure you set up a Home Hub, an Apple TV, HomePod, or an always-at-home iPad for remote control and reliable automation execution. If things go wrong, try one-key troubleshooting tip. Restart the accessory and your iPhone, then re-attempt pairing. If pairing still fails, reset the accessory to factory settings and re-enter the 8-digit code to clear stale keys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.